हाय गाइस एंड वेलकम टू लीगल ठिकाना। आज हम आपको दो ऐसे केसेस के बारे में अपडेट देंगे जो कि कल यानी 4 तारीख दिसंबर 2024 को सुप्रीम कोर्ट में हुआ था। पहले बात करते हैं यूनिफॉर्म सिविल कोड के बारे में। On December 4th, 2024, the Supreme Court of India resumed hearings regarding petitions challenging the Uniform Civil Code or the UCC. Petitioners argue that the UCC could potentially infringe on religious freedoms and the autonomy of personal laws guaranteed under the Constitution. The bench, led by the then Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud, focused on balancing the constitutional principles of equality and secularism with the right to preserve cultural and religious practices. During the session, the court explored the legislative drafts and conceptual framework of the proposed UCC. Petitioners raised specific concerns about the UCC's potential to homogenize diverse personal laws across religious communities, possibly eroding their unique customs and traditions. The court asked the central government for a detailed response and clarity on how the UCC would address the interplay between constitutional values and cultural diversity. The hearing also delved into whether the current legislative drafts adequately consider minority rights and gender equality. The central government emphasized its commitment to constitutional directives under Article 44, which encourages the state to implement a UCC for fostering national integration and equality. The next steps in the proceedings are expected to include submissions by stakeholders representing various religious and social groups. The court aims to examine whether the proposed UCC aligns with India's secular ethos while protecting individual liberties. दूसरा केस के बारे बात करेंगे जो कि दिल्ली एनसीआर के पोल्यूशन को लेकर है। ये भी 4 तारीख को सुनवाई की गई थी सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने। Supreme Court of India addressed the ongoing issues related to air pollution in the Delhi NCR region under the Graded Response Action Plan or the GRAP Stage 4 restrictions. The court, led by Justices Abhay S. Oka and Augustine George Massey, refused to relax the existing curbs despite some improvement in the air quality index over the past few days. The court emphasized that these restrictions, such as bans on truck entry and construction activities, were not adequately being enforced. The lack of coordination between various bodies, including the Delhi Pollution Control Committee, the Municipal Corporation of Delhi, and the Commission for Air Quality Management, was heavily criticized. The bench stated that the implementation of GRAP 4 had been far from effective. The Supreme Court also took serious note of the delay in compensating construction workers who were left without work due to these restrictions. The chief secretaries of the NCR states, which is Delhi, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh and Rajasthan, were summoned to appear virtually on December 5th, 2024, जो कि आज है, to explain why compensation had not been disbursed in a timely manner. Reports had revealed that the Delhi government had failed to provide compensation to the 90,000 workers identified, citing delays due to re-verification process. The court ordered immediate disbursement of Rs 5,000 each to each worker, and in a separate development, Rajasthan indicated that it has started providing direct weekly allowances to workers with Rs 50 lakh allotted for each district. In addition to these concerns, the Supreme Court ordered that entry points to Delhi must be effectively manned, ensuring that the truck entry ban is properly enforced. The Delhi police were urged to allocate resources judiciously and to ensure adequate deployment where it was most needed. Despite the government's plea for flexibility regarding essential repair works on roads and sewage systems, the court allows such work only if vehicles banned under GRAP 4 were not used. The hearing is set to continue on December 5th when the court will reassess the air quality and decide whether the GRAP 4 restrictions should be relaxed. Thank you for watching Legal Thikana. We'll be back with more updates soon.